Hi all. We're going to be working with rulers, and today we are looking at this ruler and we're going to learn how to hold our ruler. So one thing we need to do is have a wide hand stance like this, and notice my fingers are not on the edge. If I hold it like this and when I try to draw, then I'll end up going around my fingers and not making it very smooth. So we want to make sure our fingertips are away from the edge, and then when we put it where we need it, our ruler where we need it, you're going to use your pencil, and I don't use the point of my pencil. I actually kind of lay it down very gently, really lightly on the side like this. So I start at the top and I work my way down till I get done with my line. When I've done that, it looks really good and it hasn't moved on me. Sometimes what will happen is somebody will put their one fingers right here, and then when they start pushing, you see how it starts to move? And we don't want it to move when we're holding it and trying to make straight lines. So today you are going to be like a super secret ninja, and we're going to create laser beams that are going to go right across our page. So you're just going to have some fun practicing our lines and making lines with a ruler. And I just want to see how well we can keep them straight and nice and use them like that. Now if you're a left-handed person, you're going to hold your ruler with your right hand, and you're going to use your left for the pencil. And what you're going to do is, again, do a wide hand stance, hold it very firmly, and then draw your line very carefully. So we're just going to keep on going, maybe do some vertical lines here, get some good straight lines going through my secret super ninja Mission Impossible design. And then what you're going to do is, after you get done with that, is you're going to color the space in between. So you might color this one like that. And what I would recommend is that you do your best coloring. Make it look really nice. Do kind of like have it fill in, making sure there's no white spaces. Sometimes when you color, you want to make sure you kind of go in the same direction to make it easier. And you're going to fill in this whole thing with color. And it can be switched out. You can switch out each color. And we'll end up with a really cool design from our laser beam room. So have fun!